Let's go guys, it's Rahul TV, Team R for you, all your favourite YouTube mechanic, back again with another video. This time round I've got a Toyota Prius, 2010 Toyota Prius 910 kind of thing. I'm going to go ahead and replace the driver side, UK driver side, that's passenger side if you're in America. Driver side headlight replacement. I'm going to change the full headlamp replacement, not just the bulb, the full headlamp. Anyway, it's here, let's do it, let's go. Okay guys, there it is, the driver side one in the UK. Like I mentioned, I'm in the UK and I'm doing the driver side one. Right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this little bolt off, 10mm, and take that one off, the obvious two. Take that one off and take that one off. Let's go. Okay, we've taken that one off and we've taken that one off, 10mm screw kind of thing. This cover is supposed to be fastened on with these little clips, one here and one in the middle, but this car hasn't got it, so we'll just take that off. What we need to do is, we don't need to take the full bumper off, we just need to lower it on one side. The side that you're going to take the headlight off, we need to lower it on that side. So basically we have to take this corner off and lower it, because I'm pretty sure the screw or a bolt goes through there and one down there. So first things first, we take these little clips off, these here, this one here, little 10mm there, 10mm there, all these little clips, let's take them off. To take them off, it's not the hardest thing in the world. There you go, flat screwdriver, just ping them all off. There we go, another one, there's another one, just ping them off. As you can see there, just take them off like that. Flat screwdriver, just take them all off. Last one here, there we go, take them all off. That way it'll give us a bit more room to get the bumper, move the bumper out of the way. Okay, we've got all these clips off, little clips off, as you can see along the front here. I've even taken them two 10mm off, one here and one here, taken them off. As you can see, the front end is all moving. I missed one, my bad, I missed one. So when I take that off, obviously the front end will be moving. Another thing is, there's no screw in there, it's just clipped on this side. But we still need to move this out of the way, or else we're not going to get the headlight out. So we need to move this out of the way, or else the headlight will not come out. So in any case, this front end needs to come off, the top half of the front end. I'll take that one off, I forgot that. Okay, I've sent the car up on the ramp, as you can see there. What I'm going to do is, this wheel arch cover, we don't need to take it off completely, we just need to move it out of the way. So I'm going to take that off, that 10mm, another 10mm there. Underneath here, we've got one of those clips there, and another 10mm there, and one there. Okay, we might not need to take that one off, but we need to definitely take this one off, take that little clip off, these two off, this one and this one, and hopefully we can gain access to the screw or the bolt that holds the bumper on. Right, but first things first, let's take them four off and we'll go from there. Okay guys, we've taken this wheel arch cover off, the bottom part is off, that's off. All you do, there's no screws behind this bumper, by the way. I thought there might be a screw right there. On most cars they do. On this one it's just clipped on, so all we do is just give it a little pull, just like that. That comes off. As you can see there, I think this culprit here, that's another screw for the headlight. We take that off, that bolt, 10mm, hopefully the headlight should come off. The headlight is moving, we're just going to give it a pull towards the front. I think it's just clipped on this side, another clip on this side. Hopefully it should come off. Okay, so I'm going to give it a pull and see what happens. Okay, I figured it out guys. Right, I figured it out. What you need to do is, can you see that little clip there? This little clip there. Okay, what we need to do is, we need to get a little flat screwdriver in there like that. Give that a little lift up, just like that, lift that up there. Right, and trust me, that headlight will come off. Move your hand. Right, there we have it, the headlight is totally off. Obviously it's not coming out because I've still got the wiring plugs on it, So we're going to go ahead and take the bulbs off. Take that bulb off if you want, or take the wire off, whatever you want. Same here as well, as you can see there. Take that bulb out, or take the wiring plug off, whatever suits you. Take this one off as well, you can see there. Take all the wiring plugs off. Another one down there, a little one here. Happy days. Take that one off. That one might need a little screwdriver to flick it off. And we'll go ahead and, what it is on the new one, there's the new one, it's got a manual adjuster on it, so we need to take that off anti-clockwise to take it off. We'll take that plug off. It comes with the instructions here, so you can't really go wrong. And we'll go ahead and take the headlight off, change it, replace the adjuster over. Happy days, let's go. Okay, the headlight is off. I'm just going to replace the bulbs over. I mean, to change the bulbs, I'm not going to show you guys how to change the bulb, because anti-clockwise it comes off like that. Just replace the bulbs over. With this adjuster, we're going to go clockwise, so I'll show you guys. Get a flat screwdriver in there. You're going to hold the light obviously with one hand and then go that way. As you can see there, it went click, which means it's, I would say it's 95% off. And then what we need to do is we need to turn that there. Okay, as soon as we turn that clockwise, or anti-clockwise, sorry, that whole thing should come off. Let's go. I've took that one off clockwise, and this little 8mm on top, we're going to go anti-clockwise with this one, counterclockwise, and hopefully that thing will come off. That's it, let's go. Right, so we've got this adjuster back on, same way we took it off, exactly same way. We've put it on and then obviously tighten that one up, that bolt there. We're going to get the bulbs on. I mean, I shouldn't really show you guys how to replace a bulb. There, that's on, that one's on, side light is on. Okay, another little top tip is I put everything back on. My bad, I should have mentioned this to you guys. After you fit the headlight in there, just in there, just go ahead, before you put everything back on, just go ahead and try the bulbs, okay? Just try the headlight bulbs, side light bulbs, things like that. Just flick the switch, and hopefully, I mean, it should be working. If it's not working, then you got another problem. But if it's all working, happy days. Fit everything back on. Right, I'm gonna get all these clips, everything on. Let's go, let's do it. Let's go, Raul TV team. For you well, let's go. Well, that is it, guys. That's how we replaced the headlight on a 2009-10 Toyota Prius. I mean, I changed the driver side one. It's exactly the same on the passenger side one in the UK. And you might be thinking, what's that noise? Winter is, you could say winter is here. We've got the heater going, so sorry about the noise in the background. All I'm going to say is I hope this video helped you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Try my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Come on guys, smash that like button for me. And yeah, and I'll see you guys soon.